Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to do the check-in using the China Eastern application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the More button at the bottom of the page. And then click on the Check-in button. So as you can see, in order to check in, you have to provide your order number or ticket number or ID number, which is obligatory. You have to give your first name, optionally your middle name if you have one, and then your last name. And once you did that, click on the search stroke button, and you will be checked in. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.